Cory, looks like this may be the signs of a turnaround for Sony.
Yeah, a really interesting quarter from a really big, complicated business. And, this is what a turnaround looks like. I mean, forget the failures at Hewlett-Packard and the struggles at IBM. You can turn a battleship around. You can change a fan belt whilst the engine runs. But it's hard, and Kazuo Hirai is doing it. And you can see it in some very big changes they're making in this dinosaur of a business. First of all, let's just look at sort of the top-line numbers. I mean, if you look at the sales numbers for this company, they're getting worse. They would sell a lot of unprofitable stuff to stay in businesses. But if you look at the sales numbers on an annual basis, the business is getting smaller. And if you look at the profits for this business, they did report these are not final results because of the hacking incident. They can't get the final results of their pictures unit until the end of March.
Yeah.
But the profits that they're guiding us towards are a little bit better than they have been in terms of the losses are getting smaller. But the forecast suggests some really big turnarounds. There are write-downs of some old businesses in here, and it's really interesting to see the places where that's happening.
So what is exactly behind that better outlook, Cory?
Well, there are a bunch of things going on, including some very strange things, not least of which the Selfie. Sony Pictures, Sony cameras, I should say, maybe aren't doing very well. They've gotten out of the Sony PC business. But the Selfie stick, chronicled here in a package I did recently, they're selling the camera in the front of the iPhone.
Oh, there you are with the
camera,
selfie stick.
There I am. They're selling the camera in the Xiaomi phones. The Xiaomi is very proud to boast about. They are selling the camera that is going into so many of the smartphones that are going out there. They're getting a tremendous benefit from that high-margin product, and it's doing quite well for Sony, and it's helping derive a lot of the other results. So as they fix their TV business, which seemed impossible, but because of the strong U.S. dollar, Japanese televisions look cheaper. They had 10% year-over-year growth in the TV business, and they're predicting even better going forward. Add to that the cameras and smartphones, and this business is suddenly doing really well with other things we knew about, like the PlayStation and so on.
Who would know that our vanity would be that profitable? Cory, by the way, our producer, pointing out, are you wearing the same suit as when you did that piece?
I only have one, really. It's I'm like Einstein without the smarts. I just go to the closet in the dark, pull out the same suit every day.
We need to get you a better budget. Okay, Cory, thank you.
Let's work on that. There are people, they sit right behind you. You can get kicked right on that, Betty.
That's right.
Come on.
Cory Johnson. Cory Johnson, Bloomberg West editor-at-large. Thanks so much on Sony.